Alrighty, we are dropping tickets tomorrow or today, depending on when you're watching this. We will be dropping them around 6 p.m. today on Thursday, February 26th. And we have some really exciting news. So we've been working really hard on events. You guys already know we dropped our May 9th date. So on May 9th, we have our classic Elpin Fury and Leviathan for 2 hours. That is from 8:30 p.m. till 10:30 p.m. as soon as the park closes. So we have Elpin Fury and Leviathan rented out. And based off of your guys' feedback last year, we have added a drink stand to all of our events in the evening LRT portions because a lot of you said you needed water and drinks. So I don't blame you. We also have a brand new event, a really awesome event. This one's epic. We have Elpin Fury and Leviathan for 3 hours after park close with a drink stand from 6:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. on May 14th. That's a Thursday, but that is epic. So I'm really excited to see you guys attend that event. That was a really cool one to work out. So super excited about that. So on September 12th, we will be holding our first big day event. The only one, sorry, I said first. So that one is the same as last year, 8 a.m. There'll be tours. They are different from last year, guys. It will not be the same tours. Do not worry. It'll be very different. 9 a.m. it'll be Yukon ERT, and then 11 a.m. the Q&A. We're gonna do some games with some prizes in Canterbury Theatre, and then at 8:30 p.m. your Elpin Fury and Leviathan 2-hour LRT with a drink stand will be taking place as well. Now we're gonna try and work in some really cool games into that midday section to fill some of the gap. But really excited about this. This has been a really big thing in the works. And it's been posted on Patreon already for a couple hours now, and it is 50% sold out, guys, just on Patreon. So when these tickets post tomorrow, you really have to get your tickets because we only have a select amount of tickets available for the first half of the day on September 12th. So we do have some LRT tickets, a little more than we can, hold for the morning ERT and the tours. So based off of Wonderland's request, we do have very limited stock. So they're already 50% sold out. So as soon as this posts tomorrow at 6 p.m., get your tickets right away. I cannot stress that is not me trying to sell tickets. These events, based off of popular demand last year and the great reviews, there is a lot more interest this year. So you're going to want to get those tickets because I cannot guarantee that they'll still be there, as well as I can't guarantee that it won't sell out, and I will not be able to add additional days like we did last year. We were able to add additional days because of date confusion and pushing the date back and back and back. So this year, September 12th is our day. Coasters After Dark Unleashed is that brand new event I was talking about. So on May 14th from 6:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. we have Elpin Fury and Leviathan with the drink stand. And we're going to do some games for those that, can't continuously ride down in the midway or chat and chill. Make it a little more formal. I know last year I was very shy and very nervous. For anyone that attended my events and saw me, you knew that I was, pooping bricks, I'll say, the entire time. I was in full panic mode. This year, I plan to enjoy it a lot more. Things are a lot more smooth. I've gone through it. I know what it's like. Everything's going to be great. The events team has put together some amazing packages for us. And this is unheard of. 3 hours, guys, after park close that we have night rides on Elpin Fury and Leviathan. If you attended our events last year, you know how many rides you're going to be able to get on Leviathan and Elpin Fury. So that is crazy. We are obviously going to introduce a combo ticket. So we were going to introduce a combo ticket including May 9th, but we decided with so many people registered in the event already, 75% sold out, it would be in bad taste to introduce a combo ticket for May 9th. At this point, that would be in very bad taste for people who already bought tickets. So we are not going to offer a combo ticket for May 9th. But we are offering a combo ticket for May 14th and September 12th. That's 6 hours of total ride time. 5 hours of ride time on Elpin Fury and Leviathan alone. So May 14th, that's our 3 hours after close night rides. And September 12th is our full day event. So very excited about that. So the combo ticket will be there. So what I want to explain to you guys is when you're on the ticket purchasing link, so when you click the link, That'll post tomorrow. We'll drop another video. We'll post on our Instagram story. If you're not following us on Instagram, go to Amusement Insiders, plural. I'll link that down below. That's where we post a lot of our information and a lot of our links to these tickets. So definitely follow us on Instagram. I'm going to post it in the comment section down below and pin it. Once we post that link, get your tickets. You're going to see LRT only tickets. LRT only means you are only attending the LRT portion, the last ride of the night, like late ride time. So that is after hours. Then we have the combo ticket. You'll see May 14th and December 12th combo ticket. That's the 2 days together. That's a really good deal. You're saving like $30 or something like that. And then we have the September 12th. That's the full day, big day with the tour and everything. And that one is going to sell out probably either today or tomorrow, whenever it is. So I would say it's going to sell out no later than this weekend, if it doesn't sell out on the first or second day. So get your tickets. I'm not lying to you guys. Get them. And yeah, thank you so much. And if you have any questions, comment down below, email me, message me on Instagram. I'll try and get back to you as quickly as I can. I do work a full-time job, so sometimes I can be a little slow. I'm really sorry. Balancing the both is difficult, but I'm very excited for this year. This has been a terrible off season, and I'm just really excited that we've been able to get these events fully booked and planned. And thank you. Have a good one, guys. See you later. Bye.